Discover the benefits of quality steel products from Singapore's leading steel suppliers. When you need quality steel products, turn to Singapore's leading steel suppliers. From stainless steel fabricators to custom steel fabrication, these companies have the expertise and resources to help you get quality steel products are essential for a variety of applications, from construction to manufacturing. Whether you need custom steel parts or entire products, these suppliers have the expertise and resources to help you get the job. Quality steel products from Singapore's leading steel suppliers offer a range of benefits that can make your project easier and more. Some of the benefits of quality steel products include stronger construction. Quality steel products are designed to be stronger and more durable than other types of steel, which can result in a longer lifespan for you. Reduced maintenance. Quality steel products are less likely to need regular maintenance, which can save you time. Reduced costs. Quality steel products are often less expensive than other types of steel, which can save you money on your. By choosing quality steel products from Singapore's leading steel suppliers, you can enjoy a range of benefits that will make your project easier and more. Don't wait any longer, reach out today and learn more about the benefits of quality steel products from Singapore's leading steel suppliers.